Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you the Microsoft Power Automate tutorial for beginners. So the first step here, just need to open your browser, and then here just need to search for the Microsoft Power Automate, right? And then click on the first link right here, and you will then go to the homepage. So what is Microsoft Power Automate? So this Microsoft Power Automate is a cloud-based service that allows you to automate workflows between apps and services. And with Power Automate, you can connect directly from different applications like the Outlook, SharePoint, and even non-Microsoft services such as Dropbox. So it's all about automating tasks and processes to boost productivity. Now, as you can see here on the homepage, if you're going to scroll at the top under the overview tab. Here you will find Discover, so you can optimize processes and uncover business automation opportunities with task and process mining. We have Automate. Automate across nearly unlimited systems, desktop apps, and website with AI and digital robotic process automation. And we have the Orchestrate. So you can see confidently scale automation across your organization with built-in security, governance, and 360-degree monitoring. And lastly is the Extend, accelerate digital transformation with automation, infuse apps, website copilots, and more in Microsoft Power Platform. So if you're going to scroll down here, you'll also find some of the features, and here you will also find the pricing. Right. So as you can see, we have the free trial, right? Then you can use for 30 days. You have Power Automate Premium with $15 a month, and the Power Automate Process, which is the $150 a month, right? So why should consider using this Power Automate? Well, it's simple. It helps you save time by automating repetitive tasks, increases efficiency by creating smooth workflows, and also reduces human error by eliminating manual steps. So, whether you're working individually or managing a team, Power Automate can significantly improve how you work. Right? So, let's get started here. First, we need to select the plan that you want for your account. So, in this case, in this sample, I'm going to select this free trial here. So, I'm going to click on the try for free button right from here. Right? Now from here, you will then need to enter your email, your Microsoft account. But if you don't have one, you can create it for free. Now, as you can see, once you log in, you'll find this welcome to Power Automate, and then you can choose your country or region. So in this case, I'm going to select Philippines and then click on the Get Started button. All right, so as you can see, you will now land on the Power Automate dashboard, your central hub for creating and managing workflows. But as you can see here, you will find some of the tutorials from beginner to advanced. So if you are a beginner, I suggest you to select tutorials here with a tag for beginners so you can be familiarized with the automation. Now on the left side panel, you'll find some options like the home, and then you will have, or you can have here, create. You have also templates, learn, and my flows. All right. Now, if you want to create your first flow here, I'm going to show you how you can create a basic automated process. All right. So just simply click on this create button right here on the left side, and then you can choose automated cloud flow right here. Where we have automated cloud flow, instant cloud flow, scheduled cloud flow, desktop flow, and process mining. But in this sample, I'm going to show you this one, which is the automated cloud flow, right? And then you just have to enter here the name, and there you just have to select the trigger, right? You can select trigger whether you want when a file is created in OneDrive, just like that, or when a new response subtitled, or you can when an email is created or when an item is created. So you just have to select any triggers, and then you can also add an action, set an email notification. So just like that. And then once done, you can customize your email template and you're done. So here, as you can see, you can search connectors and triggers. You can select built-in, standard, premium, custom, or my clipboard. Right now, we have also some of the best feature here on Power Automate is its extensive library of pre-built templates. So these templates cover a wide range of use cases, from automating social media posts to managing project tasks. Right, and you can explore right here. You can basically select or browse by category. For example, you can select all templates, top pick, shared with me, remote work, approval, button, visual, data collection, email, calendar, mobile, right? You can basically select any category, or you can use the search box right here at the top to search for a template, and you can filter here your search results. All right, so as you can see, with just a few clicks, you can have a fully functional automation up and running. Right, so once you've created your flows and you want to manage and monitor it, you just have to go and click on the My Flows section right here. Right, so click on My Flows. But as you can see right here, currently I don't have any flows. Choose from the hundreds of templates to start automating your workflows, right? So from here, you can view all your flows in the My Flows section. You can edit, disable, delete as them as needed. So the activity section allows you to monitor the performance of your flows, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Now, here are a few tips for beginners. First, you need to start with simple flows to get comfortable with the interface. Second, use templates to save time and learn best practices. Third, always test your flows before fully implementing them. And lastly, explore connectors to integrate more apps and services into your workflows. So that's all. That's how you basically use this Microsoft Power Automate for beginners. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.